Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am making a agua fresca made out of banana. Horchata agua fresca that I know that you are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have sugar, a cinnamon stick, banana, cinnamon in powder, rice with water. I have 1 evaporated milk, 1 condensed milk, water as needed, and I have here, of course, my vanilla extract made at home. Okay, let's get started. Let's create this delicious agua fresca out of your bananas. I am ready. Let's start with making our simple syrup. I have my saucepan here. I'm adding my sugar, and I'm going to add just a little bit of water in order to cover the sugar. And then let's take it to the stove. We want to make sure that we make this simple syrup, and we're just going to be mixing until this dissolves completely. It takes a couple minutes. My friends, here I'm making my simple syrup. I have my sugar here and my water. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes in order for the sugar to dissolve completely. Remember, my friends, we want to add the simple syrup to our aguas frescas, not just add the granulated sugar, because like this, making the simple syrup, we use less sugar than just adding regular granulated sugar to our aguas frescas. So I'll be here stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'll show you when the sugar has dissolved completely. My friends, I wanted to show you that my simple syrup is done. There is no longer any kind of granulated sugar on the bottom. The water has turned just a little bit yellow, but that's normal. But there is no granulated sugar. Okay, I'm going to turn my stove off, and I'm just going to let it rest until I am ready to add it to my banana horchata. So let's get started, and let's start preparing this delicious agua fresca. I want to show you that I have my rice here with some water, and I left it overnight. I have my cinnamon sticks and my 3 bananas. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add my rice and my water here to my blender. I'm going to do it on the side so I don't make a mess. I'm just adding the rice and a cup of water. Okay, now I am ready to start adding the cinnamon stick and my 3 bananas. We're going to go ahead, add the 3 bananas to my blender. Everything's in here. I'm just going to add a cup of water. And then we are ready to go ahead and blend it and mix it completely and have all those flavors incorporate. It's going to be blending for just a couple minutes. And this is done, my friends. Look at this. It looks like a shake. It's nice and thick. But let me show you how this looks. Look at this, my friends. It's nice and thick like a smoothie, but we don't want it like that. I'm going to go ahead and put it through a sifter. We're going to sift it very good, and we're going to get all those juices out of all this mixture. This is the part we do not want. We don't want all the little pieces of rice or the cinnamon. We don't want that, okay? So this part, we're going to just throw away, and we're just going to mix completely. After we mix it, we're going to start adding our condensed milk, a whole can of condensed milk. After the condensed milk, we're going to go ahead and add our evaporated milk, our vanilla extract. I'm adding just a little splash. Add as much as you like. You could even add 2 to 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of simple syrup. Remember, the sugar is to taste. We're going to mix it, incorporate it completely, and then I'm just going to add the rest of the water. The total liquids are 1.5 quarts. Look at this. This is the part I like. I'm going to taste it to see if we need to add a little more syrup, but to my tasting, this is great. Okay, this is optional, my friends. You could add some food coloring. I'm adding just a couple drops just so it gets nice and yellow like a banana. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it. And this, look at the color. It's so beautiful, so yellow, a yellow intense, but this is perfect. I have my pitcher here. I'm going to add some ice. We want to make sure we add enough ice. We want our banana horchata to be nice and cold and refreshing. Look at this. It looks so good and so delicious. This is done. I am ready for my presentation. I'll see you in a little bit. My friends, I am done with my banana horchata. I have this powdered cinnamon here, and I just like to add it just on the top to give it that special look and the special flavor of the cinnamon. But you know that this is the part I love and I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see how this banana horchata came out. I even sliced a couple bananas inside, and believe me, let's see how this tastes. Really nice and refreshing. My friends, prepare this horchata at home. You guys are going to love it. I sliced a little bit of bananas inside, and I'm getting you ready for the summer. I want you to have a lot of agua frescas in your home, especially made by me, Cooking with Gloria. Thank you so much for watching my videos from start to end. Thank you for giving me your time, offering me your time. Thank you so much. Before I say, if you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, my friends, yes, you are notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my banana horchata. Bye-bye.